I love living in Clanton Park, the welcoming family-friendly community, the peaceful tree-lined streets, the exceptional location, and the great schools make it a very special neighborhood to live in. 8 Bonnacord Drive is located deep in the heart of Clanton Park, and backsplits like this are not abundant. This spacious, over 2,500 square foot home has been fully renovated and updated throughout. It's beautiful. Come on in, let me show you around. Hardwood flooring, smooth ceilings, large windows, pot lights, and a gorgeous gas fireplace complement the spacious living room. Smooth ceilings, hardwood flooring, large windows in the roomy dining room are perfect for hosting a crowd. The eat-in kitchen is fully renovated with custom cabinets, quartz counters, stainless steel appliances, and maple hardwood flooring. His and hers closets and a renovated ensuite bathroom complement the primary bedroom. 2 more spacious bedrooms and a renovated main bathroom completes the upper floor. The family room features newer built-in cabinets, hardwood flooring, a custom wet bar, and a walkout to the backyard and deck. A 4th bedroom, full renovated bathroom, mudroom with built-ins complete the lower level. Finally, a spacious recreation room with 2 closets, one of which is a cedar closet, large laundry room and furnace room, plus a huge crawl space great for storage, completes the basement. Look at this exceptional backyard, hot tub and deck. It's perfect for entertaining. If you're looking for location, square footage, a beautiful backyard, and a stunning home, then whatever you do, do not miss 8 Bonnacord Drive. Book your showing today.